TIM Solution creates greater future value through digital twin. TIM Solution increases production efficiency by applying digital twin technology that connects the real and virtual worlds to industrial sites. Digital twin of TIM Solution builds a 3D model without damage and distortion with self-developed CAD lightweight technology. Dixie Foundation connects various data in the field and delivers them to the digital twin environment. Dixie Author and Access configure monitoring screens by selecting field data to suit the user. Dixie Simulator can utilize the data collected from monitoring for simulation. TIM Flow of TIM Solution lightens heavy CAD data, connects them to various systems, and provides a flexible digital twin environment. In addition, through visual scripting, anyone can easily configure the digital twin environment. This is possible because TIM Solution is composed of the digital twin experts with deep understanding of industrial problems and customers. TIM Solution is stepping into a bigger future with global partners. Digital twin partner for industries. TIM Solution.